Imagine a fortress of steel over 100,000 tons slicing through the ocean waves. This isn't science fiction. This is an aircraft carrier, a symbol of naval power, and a marvel of modern engineering. On its deck, fighter jets roar to life, catapulting into the sky at breathtaking speeds. This is a floating city, a mobile air base, and one of the most complex machines ever built by humankind. How did we create such a colossal vessel, and what does it take to operate this giant of the sea? Today, we're diving deep into the world of aircraft carriers. The story of the modern supercarrier is one of ambition and innovation. Take the USS George H. Bush, one of the Nimitz class carriers. Its construction was a monumental undertaking, a symphony of steel and sweat. It began with a single piece of metal, a keel-laying ceremony marking the start of a multi-year journey. Thousands of shipbuilders, welders, engineers, and electricians worked tirelessly, piecing together millions of components in a massive shipyard. We can see through historical photos and time lapses how these floating behemoths rise from a collection of prefabricated modules, each weighing hundreds of tons, meticulously assembled into a cohesive whole. The ship is named in honor of a naval aviator and former U.S. president, carrying a legacy of service and leadership. From the first cut of steel to its christening and sea trials, every step is a testament to human ingenuity and industrial might. To truly grasp the scale of an aircraft carrier, you need to see it up close. The flight deck alone spans over 4.5 acres. That's larger than 3 football fields. You could line up dozens of school buses end to end and still have room to spare. When you see sailors walking across this vast expanse, they look like tiny specks, giving you a real sense of the immense size. Let's put it into perspective with some comparisons. If you stood the carrier on its end, it would rival the height of the Empire State Building. Its sheer mass is staggering, displacing over 100,000 tons of water. This isn't just a ship. It's a man-made island designed for a very specific and powerful purpose. But an aircraft carrier is much more than just a big ship. It's a fully functional, self-sustaining city at sea. It's home to a crew of over 5,000 people. To support this population, the ship has everything a small town would. Deep within its steel hull, you'll find sprawling kitchens or galleys where chefs prepare over 18,000 meals every single day. There's a state-of-the-art medical and dental facility, complete with operating rooms, ready for any emergency. To keep the crew fit and ready, there are multiple gyms and recreational spaces. The sleeping quarters or berthing areas are a maze of bunks where sailors rest after long shifts. There are barber shops, laundry services, and even a post office. It's a bustling community operating 24/7, a city that never sleeps, all while navigating the world's oceans. What powers this massive floating city and allows it to sail for years without refueling? The answer lies in nuclear power. Deep inside the heart of the carrier are 2 advanced nuclear reactors. These reactors generate an incredible amount of heat, which is used to create high-pressure steam. This steam then drives massive turbines, which in turn spin the ship's 4 giant propellers. The power output is immense, allowing the carrier to reach speeds of over 30 knots, or about 35 miles per hour. This is astonishing for a vessel of its size. The nuclear propulsion system gives the carrier virtually unlimited range, enabling it to operate anywhere in the world for over 2 decades before needing to be refueled. It's this power that makes the carrier a truly global asset. The primary purpose of an aircraft carrier is to project air power. It's a mobile airfield that can carry an entire air wing of up to 90 aircraft. This includes a diverse mix of fighter jets like the F/A-18 Super Hornet, which form the core of its offensive and defensive capabilities. But it's not just fighters. The carrier also hosts electronic warfare aircraft that can jam enemy radar early warning and control aircraft that act as the eyes and ears of the fleet, and various types of helicopters used for anti-submarine warfare, search and rescue, and logistics. This combination of aircraft makes the carrier's air wing a versatile and formidable force, capable of handling a wide range of missions from combat operations to humanitarian aid and disaster relief. While its aircraft provide long-range striking power, the carrier itself is not defenseless. It is equipped with an array of sophisticated defensive weapon systems to protect it from threats. These systems form a layered defense. For short-range threats like incoming missiles or aircraft, there's the Phalanx CIWS, or close-in weapon system. It's a radar-guided Gatling gun that can fire thousands of rounds per minute, creating a wall of metal to shred targets. For threats at a greater distance, the carrier uses missile systems like the evolved Sea Sparrow missile and the rolling airframe missile. These are highly maneuverable, radar-guided missiles designed to intercept anti-ship missiles and aircraft before they can get close. All of these systems are integrated with the ship's powerful radar and combat systems, creating a protective bubble around the carrier. One of the most spectacular sights in all of naval operations is the launch and recovery of jets from a carrier's deck. It's a violent, chaotic, and perfectly choreographed ballet of man and machine. To launch a fully loaded fighter jet, the carrier uses a powerful steam catapult. The aircraft is attached to a shuttle that is propelled down a track by a massive burst of steam, accelerating the 30-ton jet from 0 to over 165 miles per hour in just 2 seconds. The force is so immense it pins the pilot back in their seat. Landing is just as challenging. The pilot must guide their jet onto a tiny, moving target on the flight deck and catch one of 4 steel arresting wires with the plane's tail hook. The wire snags the jet, bringing it from over 150 miles per hour to a dead stop in less than 400 feet. It's an incredibly demanding and dangerous task that requires immense skill and precision. An aircraft carrier rarely sails alone. It is the centerpiece of a carrier strike group, a powerful naval formation that includes guided missile cruisers and destroyers for air defense and anti-submarine warfare, as well as attack submarines. This group provides a layered defense and expands the carrier's capabilities. Furthermore, the carrier strike group is supported by a fleet of supply ships. These vessels provide fuel, ammunition, food, and other essential supplies, allowing the strike group to remain at sea for extended periods, projecting power and presence across the globe. From the Mediterranean Sea to the Pacific Ocean, these floating fortresses are constantly on the move, a visible demonstration of naval reach and readiness, prepared to respond to crises or safeguard sea lanes anywhere on the planet. The cost of this power is immense. Building a new aircraft carrier costs over $13 billion, and that's just for the ship itself. When you factor in the cost of its air wing and the support ships in its strike group, the total investment is astronomical. Operating and maintaining this force requires billions more each year. It's a price tag that reflects the incredible complexity and capability packed into these vessels. They are more than just weapons of war. They are instruments of diplomacy, platforms for humanitarian aid, and a powerful deterrent against aggression. They are a statement of a nation's commitment to protecting its interests and maintaining stability on a global scale. As the sun sets over the horizon, casting a golden glow on the flight deck, the symphony of naval aviation continues. Jets are launched into the twilight, their afterburners lighting up the darkening sky. The carrier strike group sails on, a city of steel and light on an endless ocean, a testament to what we can achieve through technology, teamwork, and unwavering resolve. It's a powerful reminder of the incredible forces that patrol our world's oceans day and night. Thank you so much for joining us on this journey into the heart of an aircraft carrier. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world's most amazing machines.